Hi, I'm Tathagata Niyogi. I'm the co-founder and chief innovation leader of Immersive Trails. Immersive Trails began as Heritage Walk Kolkata in 2017. The pandemic, just like it had hit everyone, it hit us. It took us by surprise, kind of. And once the lockdowns kicked in, we decided that we'll pivot online, and we started by testing the waters by giving out online workshops, community outreach workshops on heritage. So we were lucky enough that by July we actually got one of my long-term friends from Exeter University to come on board as an advisor, and also he invested some money, and we started thinking about pivoting our experiences completely on a virtual platform. So we started offering these experiences via Zoom. We had done more than 50 virtual tours, and people from more than 30 countries had joined these tours, and people from more than actually 120 cities from all over the world had joined these tours. And it's a fascinating experience to actually able to pivot online at the time when all the touring activities were off, and to actually be successfully doing and surviving through the pandemic by conducting virtual walks. Also, and this is something I'm really proud of, that we did not have to fire or even cut salaries of a single person in our company during the pandemic. Going ahead from here, we are actually working on launching a virtual tours platform where people from all over the world can rent these virtual tours at their own time and watch it at their own time. So it would be like a Netflix of virtual experiences, immersive virtual experiences. And we're also planning to launch an app later in the year